How to install Google Docs app on Android. First of all, open the Play Store on your device and tap on the search button at the bottom right corner. In the search bar, type Google Docs and wait for the results to appear. Look for the official Google Docs app, which has the familiar blue document icon and is published by Google LLC. Next, tap on the app to open its details page. You will see the install button there. Tap on it and the download will begin right away. The app isn't very large, so it should install quickly depending on your internet connection. Once the installation is finished, the open button will replace the install option. Tap open to launch Google Docs right away. The first time you open the app, it may ask for certain permissions or prompt you to select a Google account. Allow the necessary permissions and choose the account you want to use for creating and editing documents. After setup, you will arrive at the main screen where you can tap the plus icon to start a new document or browse through your existing files linked to your account. And that's it. Now you know how to install Google Docs app on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.